Hagel to complete my second run. So I've done another Wrath, another Arcane, and now this is the second Crucible of War. And that completes my, this is my 6th display opening. And I have some really nice pulls and I have some okay pulls for this one. So let's see what this nicely display will give me. And they are so thin, like liquid gold. And I'm looking for still everything. Torrent of Tempo, Dorinthia, Ridle Up, Consume Volation, Snapback, Meet and Greet, Whirling Mist Blossom, Reinforce the Line, Cash In, and a Sutcliffe's Research Note. Here we kinda go. So I'm always looking for something amazing, but I feel that this might be a nice display. Helix, Snapback, Hit and Run, Sleep Dart, Increase Attention, Soul Heat, Brutal, and then we have a Rock Slide Trap, a Promise of Plenty, and a Combustible Courier. This one, I'm not gonna jinx anything, but it's a legendary. It is for sure. I am super confident. Crush, Blade, Choke Slam, Blessing, Overblast, Rushing River, and a Towering Titan, and a Rousing Leader. Okay, not gonna jinx anymore. Let's just open and see what we get. And but as I'm still in my Blitz building, I haven't really gone to constructive yet. But I'm still waiting for, basically the scene or to come to Sweden. Some years away still. Crane Dance and the Merchant, nice, and a foil Crane Dance. So now we can actually play the Merchant. Interesting. Haven't really thought about how to build decks around him, but interesting. And a foil rare. And let's leave the Merchant as well. So maybe we can get the other heroes as well, because I haven't got the Merchant before. I'm still looking for, of course, the Shapeshifter and the Technodoll. Let's see, that dealer, a copper, Dawnblade. So this was high on the tokens. Workshop, Dominance, Soulblade, Combustible, Reinforce the Line, and a Zephyr Needle and a Foreboding Bolt. So let's do a whole weapons and token thingy. I mean, I actually haven't had any coppers yet, so that's nice to have. And the needle is nice. So let's see here if we can find something interesting. Sleep Dart, Consume, Riled Up, Overblast, Blessing, Meet and Greet, Predatory, Rushing River Yellow, and a Barging Bighorn, and a Cold Foil Kodachis. I mean, that's nice. I can always use those weapons, but need one more then, basically. And then let's see. So right now we are still on rare level for this. Haven't really hit anything above. Katsu, Rousing Eater, Increased Tension, Salt the Wounds, Meet and Greet, Swing Feast, Think Later, Ride Up, Kodachis, and High Speed Impact, and a Snapback Courier. Let's see here. There we go, some foils. Messed up the organizations, rares, foils, and things that stands out, basically. Moving kind of slow because, well, they are not so thick, these packs, and I'm savoring, even though Unlimited is soon here. Hopefully it will come to Sweden, so I can pick up some more displays. Towering Titan, Cindering Foresight, and a Meet and Greet foil. Yeah, it's gonna be, I really hope that some European, well, stores actually brings it closer to me, and that you don't really have to pay for customs and stuff like that, which is quite expensive. Assaults, Brutal, Reinforce the Line, and a Chip Wire Trap, and a foil Barraging Bighorn. Nice. Haven't really made a nice brute deck yet, but I have some ideas how I want to do it. I might do a video really soon about well, the decks I made. And of course, not all of them are from my own mind. Some are inspirational, but then of course adapted to the cards I have. Promise of Plenty, and a Mythic Twinning Blade. Nice. So that's the second Twinning Blade I got. The first one, well, kind of more full art, but nice to have one other version. And a foil Rune Chant. I mean, I like those. Now I have, well, 3 so far. So our first Majestics, we need, well, some more to get up to the actual standard. Snapback, Up, Sleep Dart, Helix, Bravo, Hit and Run, Workshop, Towering Titan, Train Dance, and a foil Find the Center. Nice, mythic. And it's really light on the, it's like a baby blue instead of a blue. So this is a nice card. So if Crane Dance was the last attack in the combat chain, finds that this can't be defended by cards with 1 less or number in chain. Oh yeah, this is nice, and you get your Sand Stake. That's also fun. So now I need to find the Sand Stake token, since I don't have it. So 2 mythics, so this one foil, that's great. We have Flying Kick, Workshop, Helix, Rile Up, Brutal Assault, and Research Note, Meet and Greet, Dauntless, and another Majestic, Observation Dome, and a foil High Speed Impact. So we're getting somewhere, I think. We have 3 Mystics now, so that's great. And we have another foil rare, which is also great. And that's the end of the right side. So let's continue with left.